Yo, what's going on, guys? It's boy Got the Clutch here, back with brand new interview, man. Today we got the terrifying transition from nice to nightmare. Let's check it out.
Roll this window down back here. Okay, the reason I'm stopping you is you're doing about 20 miles an hour in a 55.
Oh,
and you're
pulled
not
over for being too
maintaining
slow?
your lane. So, is everything okay?
Usually it's pull over for being too fast. It's just too slow.
Okay.
And I had an appointment to get it fixed. I went to it.
Dude, she's missing a
I just
doorknob.
wanted
Look,
to be able
her
to
door's
see what I was
missing.
walking up on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Her doorknob is
Anyway,
missing.
I'm Deputy Gronenboom with Santa Rosa Sheriff's Office.
Her side mirror is
I do
missing,
need to see
too.
your driver license, your registration, insurance today. Do you have any firearms or weapons in the vehicle?
There's no firearms.
No firearms? All right. Where's your license at?
Honestly, my wallet was stolen.
Your wallet was stolen?
Sir.
Okay. Do you have any other forms of identification on you today?
The only thing that I have nothing with my picture on it, sir.
All right. Go ahead and roll down all the windows for me, please. All right. So, as you were saying?
I'm in the process of moving.
Okay.
My wallet was stolen, I guess, because I went to somebody's house and realized it was gone. I went and asked them about it. They said they hadn't found it.
Okay.
So I don't have my ID on me. I had my registration and everything, like...
Okay. What? Let's stop reaching around the vehicle. If you don't know where anything's at, what's your first name?
You're making the cop kind of nervous
Current
like
address?
Currently, I'm in the process of moving, but I was staying at, Alabama.
That's not going to be your current address now?
No.
Since you don't have ID on you, I've got to try to look all this information up. I'm going to go run your license. Do you have a valid license?
I'm honestly not sure. I was paying, like, my fines and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's, fixed yet.
Was it suspended?
It was suspended.
What were you suspended for?
Speeding ticket.
If you are still suspended, we're going to need you to have somebody come get you in the vehicle.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
What's that on the dash right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Probably one of his tools.
Can I see it? So it looks like it's possibly a pipe that he's
throws
smoking
it.
something out of.
No, he works on the, they have, like, the big trucks and stuff over there.
Yeah, well, there's burnt residue in here.
Are you
Is it-
sure it's not oil from a truck?
No, that's a crack
It
pipe.
looks pretty crusted. And is there anything in the car going to get you in trouble at all?
Not
No,
that
that's
I'm aware of.
that looks
that
like
you're aware
looks
of.
like a crack pipe. I don't know.
I'm always finding nuts and bolts.
I don't know, cop. I think that looks like a crack pipe, and I think she's flipping. I'm pretty sure she's flipping you off right now. I don't know. Me personally, I paused it at the right time on accident, but like it looks like she's flipping you off. I don't know, man. Me personally, I wouldn't take that. That's a form of disrespect right there.
And like that
Yeah,
everywhere.
that's just tobacco. It smells like. So.
Okay.
But like
No,
I said,
yeah,
it
she's
has been
tweaking.
smoked at him.
She's
So,
definitely tweaking,
it's
bro.
not just a
Look
tool.
at her face, dude.
Oh. I don't, like I said, I'm always finding nuts and bolts and stuff like
Gotcha.
this. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, hold tight for me, okay?
Yeah, you're always finding bolts that just look
First
like a,
name
you
is
know, a
Mary
pipe or
Lee.
whatever.
There was a little metal pipe on the dash, and she showed it to me. She's like, it's Dexter's tool. Dexter's her
Yeah.
boyfriend. It's like, well, it's not a tool. It's a little pipe. She has some burnt residue in it. There was a faint smell of tobacco to it, but that's all I could really smell in it. So.
I ran up Florida multiple times, didn't get a return back.
No, that's crazy, dude.
Who she is? Interesting.
I
No,
got
that's-
no return on that deal.
That's insane, man. She's smoking out of a freaking a tool. She's smoking out of
Okay.
a bolt,
Miss-
a wrench, whatever.
I've got to be able to figure out who you are. I don't know if you're Miss or if you're giving me a false name.
I mean, I could give you
Listen to me. Listen. Right now, I'm running you through the computer system. I'm running DL numbers that are coming back to the name
she
that
know
you've
her
given me, and so far we're not coming
driver's
up with
license
anything.
number?
So, do you have anything in that backpack that might help me identify you? Do you mind if I search your backpack for identification?
J. Roller Road.
Yeah, I mean, at least she
All right,
handed
I've
it.
got a prescription bottle here with her name on it.
Can you check David for that name?
Nancy's coming. They said I can't leave until they figure out who I am. They don't believe that
We didn't say that. We're saying it's not coming back.
it's not coming back. My name's not coming back in the... Maybe because I was locked up for so long.
Not finding any type of
Right.
Florida deal on her
Right.
at
What?
all.
Right.
While we're doing this, just let me have you step out here.
Okay.
I'm going to set this back in here.
Okay.
Let's step back here.
I didn't get anything back out of Alabama either.
When was the last time you had a license? Have you ever had a license?
Yeah, I've had a license before. Yes, sir.
Okay. Out of Florida.
Before.
Yes.
Not
It's
now.
weird they're not finding it. That's why I'm.
I mean, I was in prison for
187.
How long were you in prison?
4.5 years.
When did you get out?
I got out in 2017.
Oh, dang.
The prison issued me an ID when I got out, and my wallet was just stolen. What, like a week ago?
We found a record of you being released from prison, but it doesn't have. We don't have a driver's license number. There's nothing. All it says is your name, day of birth, and you were released from jail. Yeah, there's no picture or anything with it. So hold tight for us, okay?
Hello?
She's not paying on her penalties after she got out of jail is what that is. Car's not drivable. She said transmission is out and there's no insurance, so.
Last arrest was in Duval County for trafficking heroin.
What happened to your car, your damage over here?
I
Do
bought
it?
it like that.
You bought it like that?
Yeah, I only paid $1,000 for it.
Holy cow.
I guess.
It's okay if I check real quick.
You paid
Make sure it's
$1,000 for a
I'm
car?
mostly worried about guns. I
have
don't
no
Where
guns.
are you finding
I
your
guarantee
cars
there's
at,
no
bro?
guns in
Alright,
the car.
is it okay if I check real quick?
I mean,
Car
I'd
real
rather
quick.
not. I mean, that's my right as a person.
Yes, it is. You're right. How are you getting the car out of here? It's not drivable.
What do you mean it's not?
You
Well, I
said the
mean,
transmission's out on it.
It's not all the way out. It works sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't.
20 miles an hour down the highway. That's
Well, I was
very dangerous.
I know I was going to pull over before y'all stopped me. I was pulling over to let it cool down. That's, I mean, all that has to be,
Okay.
like, yeah.
Yeah.
She denied
I'm
consent.
not buying
She
it.
says as soon as that transmission cools down, it will drive. It's fine. She says she has insurance on her phone that she's trying to locate.
You can't
right
really
now.
drive that. That's
Check
not
her
reliable.
2019. Okay. She has several
At least
suspensions
tow
and
it.
fingertip here, so we can't get
Or
her
call like a
citation
mechanic to come fix
because she
it.
has a fingertip here.
That's fine. Okay, so what's the status on the ability to drive the car?
I mean, it's drivable. And
You can't do 20 on this road.
I know that.
Somebody's going to rear end you.
Every now and then, it just, like I said, it just doesn't want to shift. And I was fixing to pull over, let it cool down, and then,
All right, that's not what we would consider operable.
no, and it doesn't always do that. It just...
How about the insurance? Did you ever find proof of insurance?
No, I know that it's through direct.
Well, that's not exactly proof of insurance. You know what I mean? All right, well, finish up your cigarette.
Somebody's on their way, though.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, with everything that we've had to do, and you got a failure to appear.
I have a failure to appear. I just got
Listen
help.
to what I'm saying. Okay, you have a failure to appear on your record, and you have multiple other failure to pay suspensions on your driver license. So we're going to go ahead because you can't provide us with an address. We write you a ticket.
I told you.
No, you said that's where you were at. That's not your current address. Okay, well, you said you're in between places. Okay, we have no place to find you should you not take care of this criminal.
I can give you my sister's address, who
Okay.
always knows where I'm
All
at.
right, well, that's not what we're going to
Take
do.
me to jail.
Finish your cigarette, okay?
Sir, please don't take me to jail. There's my ride right there.
You're under arrest.
No, I am not!
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Put your hand Stop resisting! Put your hand behind your back. You got her. Back. You're good. You're good.
Bro,
Good.
she really just called someone to come pick her up. She's like, that's my ride right there. You're just gonna leave your car here and that's your ride. Like, you got an escape plan over here? Like, that's crazy.
Put yours on. Get yours on. I'm on. Stop resisting.
I'm not
Stop resisting. Relax. Okay. Stop.
I'm not
Grabbing at me. Don't.
Like, what do you think this is? Like, she called herself a battle bus to come pick her up and take her home, but her car's right there. But she called the battle bus to come pick her up. Like, she thinks this is Fortnite or GTA. Like, she called Lester.
Don't grab. Just relax. Okay.
Is she
You're
singing?
okay. Relax.
Please. Kick your feet up so you can stand up. There you go.
I'll help you. Put the leg up underneath you. There you go. All right.
Can I give her the keys to my
I'm sorry.
The car's getting towed.
Sorry.
Please, no, please.
Sorry.
Listen, you already got enough charges on top of what you already got, so you don't need any more.
car?
Okay. No.
Hello.
It's time to go. Come on. We're going back to the vehicle.
Yeah, at least she tried, you know.
I was.
Is there anything on you we should know about before you start searching?
Unlimited.
Is there something or no?
I mean, it doesn't matter now.
No, let us know. Just let us know.
She
I mean,
tried
at least she tried.
She trying to dig for something.
At least she tried. She tried it. She tried it.
That one doesn't look.
Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. Do you need EMS for any reason?
What do you want?
And you were saying there was something in your pocket?
It's rolled up in her.
Oh snap! What's
Tell
in
us
there?
something?
I don't honestly. It was in the car, so I just.
Yeah. No, there's something. If she said it was in the car, so
Anything?
But if you can just calm down.
wait.
I don't want to go back to prison. I don't.
You said there was something rolled up. And there's
I
nothing
thought
in
there was. So maybe I'm wrong.
I mean, if you don't want to go back to prison, you gotta kind of like change your ways.
All right.
I want to go back to
So nothing on you that you're aware of.
prison.
Okay. All right. Have a seat up here.
Step up.
ACR when you can, please.
All that because we told her that she had to go to jail because she couldn't get a citation.
All right, so do we do vehicle inventory here?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh snap! Let's see. Let's see what we find.
She had some kind of knife or something. She said.
Let's see what we find here. Okay, we found an axe. Yo, that's no. She's actually insane for that.
That's just rocks.
She's actually crazy.
Those are actual
There's some,
rocks.
dude. She's got actual rocks. Shoes. No, and having an axe in her car is crazy. She's
Oh,
probably
here
trying
we
to
go.
throw that at someone.
So we have a glass smoking device mixed up amongst the
Road
clothing
rage,
in
man.
the front passenger seat, along with a plastic baggie.
Now, that car's beat.
Now it's probable cause search instead of just inventory.
Dude,
Be
did she
careful,
live in
this
her
one's
car?
broken.
I think she actually might live in her car.
Oh, imagine that.
Residue?
Yeah, look at all that.
Oh. Holy heck.
That doesn't look normal. Look at all that.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
Yo.
so
probably quarter detector.
I wonder if she tore this off and threw it back there while we were on the traffic stop.
She did reach
Dude,
up.
no
Because-
way.
Yeah.
She's trying to hide her.
She reached up at some point.
She's trying to hide her
All right.
footprints.
I'm going to set this right here.
That's
I
evidence.
found that sitting on top of the pile of clothes in the passengers. Yeah, there's a lot of it in the corner and up in a crack here.
More contact with anybody. Make the dispatch, make sure he figures it out.
Now, police call it a vehicle investigation for a reason. Now, of course, every day police across the country encounter suspicious traffic. They do find possible drug residue. But to wrap this up, guys, because now this woman has more to answer for in court.
While transporting Marilee to the jail, she took off her bra and was attempting to conceal something. At the jail, a search revealed a plastic
She's
bag
still
of
trying to hide
crystalline
stuff?
substance that fell out of her clothes, and it tested positive for methamphetamine. One of the two glass smoking devices was also tested positive for methamphetamine. Marilee was charged with obstructing without violence, driving while license suspended,
Yo, she was
possession
trying to
of
hide
controlled substance without prescription, and
sorry,
possession of
bro.
drug paraphernalia. She
I'm
is
sorry,
innocent
I'm
unless
sorry.
proven guilty in a
I'm sorry, boys and girls. She was definitely trying to hide something. She's guilty in the court of law. You know what I mean? Obstructing without violence. She was resisting arrest. Driving with suspended or revoked license that she claimed was stolen. Controlled substance without prescription, which was, you know, the white powder. And or use drug equipped. So she possibly used it too, because she tossed the evidence, which was the mirror that, you know, girls be using to put on their makeup in the car mirror. But yeah, I actually don't have one of those. My mirror is missing in my car, which is a little fun fact. Most of y'all don't need to know that, but, you know, told y'all anyway. But hey, man, hopefully all you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to our notifications. If you're new to become part of the Clutch Gang, drop it to merch soon. Hopefully I give that away to some of y'all. Bam, bam, bam. And yeah, catch you on the next video, man. It's been with Clutch. Peace out, y'all.